How to get streaks on TikTok. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the TikTok application on your device and make sure that you're logged into your account. Next, tap on your profile at the bottom right corner of the screen. As you do that, you can see the three horizontal lines at the top right corner of the screen. Tap on it and then tap on settings and privacy over here. As you tap on settings and privacy, it will land you to the settings page. So just scroll down and under the segment of content and display, tap on notifications. As you tap on notifications, just scroll down a bit and here you can see the option of streaks. So it's toggled off right now. So just toggle on this option and you'll be able to enable and get streaks on TikTok. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today. See you next time.